Good morning, everybody. The name of this video is Hope. Today I need to talk about a school. A school is an establishment where individuals called pupils or students are received by teachers who teach them collectively. The word school comes from the Latin schola, meaning leisure devoted to study. Its life itself derived from the ancient Greek school, which was an ideal often expressed by philosopher and a social valued category opposed to the sphere of productive tasks. Schools may be compulsory or optionally depending on the country. For more or less long periods of time, in almost all countries, France or the United States, for example, it is not a school that is compulsory, but the education of children. Parents may therefore decide to educate their children themselves at home or to entrust them to schools of their choice. The age for the beginning of the campus education is generally around 6 years. The age at which compulsory education ends is much more disparate, ranging from 9 years in peoples China to 16 years in many Western countries. It depends on financial means that the country can or wants to devote to the education of its youth. Although there has been a notable increase in many countries, at the World Education Forum in Dakar in 2000, it was noted that more than 113 million children, mostly girls, were not receiving primary school education. Delegates from 180 countries at the forum therefore committed themselves to ensuring that by 2015, all children, particularly girls, children in difficult circumstances, and those belonging to ethnic minority have access to and complete free and compulsory primary education of good quality. Financing of schools. Most modern states consider it their duty to provide at least basic education to the children of their citizens. For this reason, many schools are owned and the education financed by states. Many countries have a network of private or so-called special schools which use their own unique approach to learning. They are usually independent of government schools. Financed by the school fees paid by the families whose children attending this private school. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Okay, thank you very much and God bless you. Thank you.